Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to tackle a common issue that many Android users encounter, Wi-Fi and hotspot problems. If you have been struggling with these issues, we have got your back. Let's get started. The first thing you should try when facing Wi-Fi or hotspot issues is to restart your Android device. Sometimes a simple reboot can do wonders. Next, if it's a Wi-Fi issue, make sure your Wi-Fi is enabled and you are connected to the correct network. Also check if your router is working correctly. Step number 3, if your Wi-Fi isn't working, try forgetting the network and reconnecting. Go to your Wi-Fi settings by clicking on the arrow. Scroll down and you will see there Forget Network. Click on it. Then again search for available networks and reconnect. Step number 4, sometimes enabling and disabling airplane mode can help reset your network connections. Try turning in for a few seconds, then off again. Step number 5, ensure your device date and time settings are accurate. Incorrect settings can cause network problems. Step number 6, clearing your network cache can resolve many connectivity issues. Go to your device settings, find the storage section and clear the network cache. Step number 7, make sure your Android operating system is up to date. Go to software updates in your settings to check for updates. Step number 8, if you're having a hotspot problem, verify that your mobile hotspot settings are correct configured and your mobile data plan supports it. Step number 9, if the problem persists, consider contacting your service provider to check if there are any network issues on their end. And there you have it. These are some steps to troubleshoot Wi-Fi and hotspot issues on your Android device. Remember, technology hiccups happens to best of us. Don't worry and stay patient as you work through these steps. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips. Thanks for watching and good luck getting your Wi-Fi and hotspot back up and running.